In this video,
Go behind the lettering. Go for about trigger in and lock. I just realised
I'm going to make a sign using this new jigsaw table that I got from Parkside. It was only £9. A lot of people think it's a death trap, but I quite like it. But do your own research first. Got a little bit of spare time, so I'm going to attempt to make it in 1 hour using old bits of wood I've got and generally Parkside tools. Hello, sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. Spectacles on. Quick interruption, it's me in the future here. I thought I'd make a bit of a safety statement first. A lot of you already know, I'm not an expert. These are just things I get up to in my shed at the weekend. There might be certain things in this video that you might object to health and safety wise. Please feel free to comment anyway, because it helps me and others. But what I also say is don't do as I do what's good for you. Always get good advice and read the instructions. This isn't a how-to video. I set myself quite a harsh challenge, as you'll see. I'm a bit slapdash anyway, but what I make in this video certainly isn't to my standard. And actually thought, shall I bring this video out? But then I thought, you might find it a little bit entertaining. Back to me in the past, as much as I'm rushing, I'm still taking my time when it comes to power tools or anything that's dangerous. I like making signs, especially when they're illuminated, rough and ready. They don't have to be too finessed. 6 foot rule, I think would say. But you know when there's a birthday party coming up or a wedding or whatever, you want to make a sign in the background with a number or a name or a phrase. It's good to be able to knock one up fairly quickly. Like I say, I like making signs. There's my weekend shedhead sign, rustic on some saws. And I made a number for a birthday, which has come in quite handy actually, because 2 people were 16 in our family. Like I say, I think I'm going to get it done in 1 hour, but I'm going to add a little bit on because I'm going to move the camera around and all that sort of business. Probably going to add another half an hour, but we'll call it 15 minutes extra. Does that seem fair? So we'll take a note of the watch in a moment. First of all, let me show you what I'm going to use. Jigsaw table with the jigsaw already mounted to it. So a couple of bits of scrap plywood. One's going to be the background and one's going to be the letters. Next, I forgot I had this metallic brilliant spray paint. Look at that, it's like a chrome finish. A squirt on this piece of wood and that's what it comes out like. So that's going to be the background. I don't know where I got that from actually. It might have been Poundland. Was it Poundland? Don't know. Next, I got this. This was from Poundland a while back. I've showed it in a video. Black, that's going to be the lettering. 151. £2.50. That's cheap, isn't it? Matte finish. Next, I got some string lights. These are stupidly cheap. 2 of them I got. That one's out of that box. I think it was only about £2, £2.50. I'll put it on the screen now what it was and I'll put a link below. Batteries are mine. I've already put them in there. Copper wire warm LED lights. These you've probably seen them before. But if you turn it on, they're not very bright. There you go. I'm going to go behind the lettering. Next, got me glue gun at the ready. Already heating up. Parkside. Some super glue and activator. Obviously, because I'm going to try and do this in 1 hour, including the painting and glue up, I ain't got time for glue to dry. I'll put a link to these below as well. Notice what it says on the can. All will become clear later in the video.
Next, I also got these. I wanted a pack of jigsaw blades anyway. These are on Amazon. Really cheap actually, but I ain't tried them yet. There's metal and wood blades in there. I'll put a link to them below as well. Next, Parkside drill and the drill bit. Next, loaded dowel, probably about 6 mil-ish. Big pack of this. It always comes in handy for something. Got these off Amazon as well. Next, a pencil and the Milwaukee permanent marker. Link below. Next, and a ruler. And I think that's it. Oh, one more thing. I set my cheap Audi workmate up at the door with a box on top. That's where I'm going to spray everything with the door open. Right, a few hours have passed. I had a few things to attend to. Also, we'll have a look at the brochure for the tools that are out in Audi at the minute. But that's later in the video. Right, so everything's ready. I've got my tripod ready. There's the jigsaw table. I've took the fence off because I don't think I'm going to need it. I could do, but I'm going to do it freehand. If you remember in the video I did when I unboxed this jigsaw table, I used my cordless jigsaw. And it hasn't got a button on there I can lock off. This old Guild jigsaw has. Trigger in and lock. Eventually I'm going to put a foot pedal switch down there, but for now I'm just going to operate it from here. But some people think this is dangerous, so do your own safety checks first and always read the instructions. Also, when I did the unboxing of that jigsaw table, in a video a few weeks back, good friend Phil from Phil's Workshop, he bought one and he's already made a pedal for us. If you haven't seen Phil's channel already, check him out. I'll put the link below.
Just an all-round good guy. He really is. He'll be the first to admit he doesn't edit his videos. He just does it in one take. Unlike me, who's addicted to video editing software. He's such a likeable character. He's retired. He's had some health issues. So, look, it'd mean a lot if you went over and subscribed to his channel. Right, let's get on with it.
The other thing I needed was a Parkside tape measure. And the time is now, oh God, 20 to 10. Right, I'll allow myself, 15 minutes editing. So let's say 5 to 11, I'm going to get this done.
Great start. I can't find the holder for my camera. Or my phone, should I say. Got it. It's got a magnet on the back of it.
And that's where I stick it. Let's start off with the wood. Backboard with this piece of wood, and I'll do the letter in here. You may have guessed I've done no designs for this. It's just what's in my head. Measure that first. Time's flying already, look. Let's go for about 400 mil. Use a square as well. I think I bought these from Amazon. I'll put a link below. Straight enough. Yeah, straight enough. 20 mil in, that'll do. 15.5 centimetres. Let's take off 40 mil. 11.5 centimetres. Get the big light on. That's better. I always forget about that light. There's going to be 5 letters in this. So 80 mil. I've measured the wrong thing, haven't I? Why am I measuring that? I should be measuring that. That's what happens with me. I waste time not thinking. So 400 mil less 40. 360. 360 divided into 5, 72. I want to leave a tiny gap between each letter. Let's just go about 2 mil either side. Think again. I'm just going to use them lines. All will become clear, I think. Not bothered about that one. There are my cutouts for my letters. I'm going to guesstimate the rest of it. Let's get the corners off. I've just realised I was going to do cheers. There's 6 letters in cheers. Oh dear. Right, no problem. The reason I thought of 400 mil, because there's only 2 meters of wire in here. I don't want it to be too big. But I could use the other one, I suppose, as well. That price. What's the time? Oh my God, look how quick the time's flying. I've allowed myself a little bit moving the camera around. It's a bit low. Put it there. 72 mil. Let's say 20 mil either side. And also I didn't account for it. Let's allow 5 mil gap between each letter. So 5 mil, 10 mil, 15, 20, 25, plus 20, 45, plus 20 that side, 65. So whatever that is, plus 65. I hope this is making sense. There's certainly into how-to video. It's just me having fun in my shed. That's the one I want. Don't want that one. Right. Should give us plenty of room. 20 mil at the top, 20 mil at the bottom. Let's do the S. I don't know if it is an ulcer in my mouth or just some flap of skin, but it's doing my head in. It catches on my tooth every time I talk. Probably not gas as much. Yeah, it's a bit top heavy, that S, but it'll be okay. Let's get cutting. Ooh, it's coming up to 10. I've got 55-ish minutes.
So my first biggest takeaway from using this Parkside jigsaw table is don't make letters this small. It's very intricate. My fingers are very close to the blade there, as you can see. Of course, I could have used my bandsaw, which you can see in the background there, but I thought, look, let's try it out for this £9 jigsaw table and see how good it is. Also, I could, of course, use my laser cutter, but where's the fun in that? Very hard to do tight curves with this saw. And of course, this can be done with a coping saw instead of using a power tool. And if you don't want to do your letters freehand, there's loads of templates online. I must say, using this jigsaw though, that's not the best jigsaw. As you can see, it's moving from side to side. It was better with my cordless jigsaw actually, but it hasn't got that lock-off trigger on. This one's an old jigsaw anyway.
And I first thought the angle was set wrong, but I think it's bent, to be honest. That blade I got, though, was all right. Pack of 20 from Amazon. That I showed earlier in the video. Now, at this point, I drilled a hole through the opening in the R, which is something, obviously, you can't do on a bandsaw because of the throat. Again, I don't recommend anything. Whatever you do, that's entirely up to you. But you can see how close my fingers are there. Look. Not ideal. But I was extremely cautious. By the way, if you're new here, why not consider subscribing? I've got loads more videos of tool reviews on my channel. Right, it's now 25 past. That's the letters done. Let's give them a hand and a paint.
At this point, my phone battery went flat.
Look at the time, it's 22. It's literally a quick sand. I ain't got it time to finish it. Right, that'll do. While I've got the saw out, let's just cut that piece of wood down. This jigsaw is proper knackered. Right, door open. It's night time now. While that's drying, let me do the backboard. And if by a miracle you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel out.
Got 10 minutes.
I'm going to put a border all the way around like that so it can lights can reflect on it. Got time, have I? No, just spray it.
Shiny.
I'm sweating buckets. It's not dry yet, of course. Chop some of these down. I've got time to move the camera. I'm just going to chop it on this jigsaw. Right, I think that'll do it. And then we got, oh, look at it. I've got 3 minutes. Right, I'm going to leave the glue gun on. Yes. This is where the glue gun comes into action. This isn't made up, you know. This is, oh my God. Come on, come on. Work. Blob. Blob. Right, let's do all these first. It's all a bit of fun, isn't it? Oh, that's 2. No, 3 minutes. You're going to allow me 5 minutes, aren't you? Take us up to 11. Oh, come on. 2 more. Oh. One there. Oh, there's 2 on here as well. Why do I do these things? It's fun. 1 there. Time away. Oh, 1 minute to go. So, best way of doing this. Oosh. Why is that wobbly? Oh, I need one in that corner, don't I? Sweat running down my head. It's going to have to be a guesstimate. What do we say? 5 mil and 20 mil on the ends. Right, just glue. Doosh. Run out of glue. Wish we had a spare one here. We've got 4 minutes until 11 o'clock. Right, let's unwind this. Undo, damn you. Come on. I was going to stick these under each letter as I go around, but I've not got time. I've got 3 minutes and then I'm 5 minutes late. Yeah, they're sticking. I suppose this is a video to say don't rush things. I literally need 1 more down. Oh, faster, faster. There's glue coming out or what? You're letting me down now, aren't you? Do you know why? Turn the thing off. I charged my phone up and I unplugged the glue gun. Right, where's my super glue? Ice pick. Blob, blob. Oh, far too much. Oh! That's meant to be activator. Oh my God. Example. Why you shouldn't rush things. And that one's come off as well. That one's stuck. Try again. Where's that activator? I don't believe it. Aha! Activator. Oh, that's just ruined my paint. I'm just going to give them a quick paint. Even though I'm going massively late. It's 5 past 11 now. Because I'm late anyway. So while they're drying, I'm going to glue the rest up with super glue. Where did they go? That one's there, 5 mil. So he wants to go There. Just there. These are probably still a bit wet. It's a bit wonky. Time away. Oh, completely lost it now. I must say, I probably moved the camera around 20 minutes at that time, maybe 25. So I'm probably only still 5 minutes over. But I haven't put the lights in yet. So what I want to do, instead of gluing these lights to the back, I'm just going to wind them round. See what happens. Does that look effective like that? I don't know. I would have liked to make this a bit better, actually. Now I've done this sort of challenge that I've set myself. But I can do another one. It's killed an hour and probably an half. Around there. And then probably back again. It's a bit all over the place. Let's put some glue blob there. Get in there. And stay. Lights off. There's one off. Turn the other one off. Might be able to see where I'm going. Let's get the torch. Right then. Moment of truth. Let's see what it looks like. Where's the button? Hoo hoo hoo! Don't look bad, does it? Yeah, it's a bit wonky. Cheers! Just put it there above my workbench. Yeah, it's a bit wonky, but you get the effect. Right, I'm going to have a tidy up, a wash, and a cold drink. I'll be back to you. Oh, and the time is 11:15. There it is. It's like I'm going to go in my bar kitchen over there. I'm just keep it in my shed. Bit of a souvenir for my 1 hour challenge that I set myself. Look, there's 1,000 things that I'd done differently to it if I had more time. So I don't really know what the moral of this video is. I've had some fun in my shed. I've made something. I've set myself a little challenge. I suppose it shows you can make something in a flash if you need to. Party's coming up the next day and you think, oh, it'd be good to put a number sign up or something. Or is it don't rush things? Or is it plan things? Don't mix up spray glue with activator. Get your measurements right, but it goes without saying safety is always number one. Video's dragging on, but let's have a quick look what's coming out, or came out on Thursday the 29th of May in Aldi. What tools? And to be honest with you, I bought some already. That's coming out in another video. Tiny wellies, 10 quid. I've not bought the wellies. Various drain cleaning tools. Suction pump there. £3.99 each. Here we are. Ferrex tools. Batteries and charger, £14.99 for the 2 amp hour and £24.99 for the 5 amp hour. Battery charger, 15 quid. Cordless jigsaw, £30 without the battery. Cordless reciprocating saw, 30 quid without the battery. 40 volt cordless circular saw, 35 quid. Circular saw blades, £5, and recip saw blades, same price. £50 for a 40 volt chainsaw. Those pressure washers. And that's about it. Put your comments below on anything you like. I've probably missed things out in this video. I always do. But I want to get the video out. So if I missed anything or you can think of anything, put them in the comments below. Loads more videos to come. There's a link on the screen now to all my other tool reviews. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers. See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.